We all know that Linux is great for payphones. Well, in Philadelphia, there is an amateur phone collective. That's what it's called. And they're making creative use of Linux and hardware to help people without cell phones stay connected. This is a company called PhilTel. And yeah, you can use a payphone minus the pay part. So the project is by PhilTel. It's similar to a project in Portland, Oregon. That project is called Futel or FUTEL. Hey, I'm just reading it. My co-founder on this project does not own a mobile phone himself. Wow. So we have firsthand experience with what it is like to not have a phone on your person. Really, does not have a mobile phone. This guy's this dude's friend. Interesting. So PhilTel is a Linux-based virtual private server running the open source PBS server Asterisk. So the server connects to a network of refurbished payphones to the public phone network via a VoIP service through some hardware that interfaces the analog to the digital network. Okay. The network traffic is encrypted with OpenVPN. To ordinary callers, the phones will work the way they did in the analog era, minus the need to insert coins. Interesting. The first phone using the network will make its debut at IFE Books, December 17th. Just in time for those who might want to make those holiday phone calls. I don't know, guys. What do you think? A very creative use for Linux. Payphones without the pay. Hello, can you hear me now?